Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your carrier supports visual voicemail and that your line is active. This feature depends on the network. Once confirmed, make sure you're on Wi-Fi or have cellular data. You should back up your iPhone in case you need to restore settings. Now open the phone app and tap the voicemail tab. If you see a setup button, tap it and create a voicemail password and greeting. This initiates the visual interface where messages will appear as a list. Once done with initial setup, you need to configure system settings so visual voicemail works reliably. Set a strong voicemail password and record a clear greeting. This ensures callers recognize your message. Make sure phone notifications are allowed so new voicemails alert you. Also, verify cellular data is enabled for the phone app and that Wi-Fi calling is configured if you use it. This improves delivery. If you use a device with dual SIMs, choose the correct line for voicemail so messages route to the right inbox. To finish, manage messages by tapping any voicemail to play, save, or delete. Use the share action to export important messages. Make sure your greeting and password work by calling from another number. If voicemails don't load, restart your iPhone and toggle cellular data or Wi-Fi off and on, then check notifications again. If problems persist, contact your carrier and ask for a voicemail provisioning refresh. They can reset the service server side, which often resolves sync and loading errors quickly.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.